Assalamu alaikum students. He uttered a low cackle. His mother cackled too and looked over at him. Now this was a source of communication कि उसकी माँ भी आवाज़ निकाल रही थी और वो भी, तो ये एक तरह से कम्युनिकेशन था उनके बीच में. गा 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 he cried, begging her to bring him over some food. Ga uwa, so he uttered a joyful scream because his mother was responding him and he got happy. But he kept calling plaintively. Plaintively means with woo, with expressing sadness. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. तो फाइनली जनाब वो कामयाब हो गया अपनी इस कोशिश में और अब उसकी मदर को आखिरकार रहम आई या वो इसकी तरफ खुराक का टुकड़ा लेके उड़ने लगी. He leaned out eagerly. So he bent out eagerly as he was impatiently waiting for some food. He was hungry. He got excited and he was tapping the rock very excitedly. Tapping means beating the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her. अपनी माँ से करीब होने की कोशिश में वो रॉक के ऊपर बार बार अपने पाँव मार रहा था. As she flew across. But when she was just opposite him, abreast of the ledge, mean alongside the ledge, when she reached there, she halted her legs, hanging limp. Halted means she stopped. Limp means, and his legs were as like dead people's legs, and her legs were so soft as it became lifeless legs. और उनमें वो जो सख्ती है वो ना रही और उसने खुद को हवा में मुअल्लक कर लिया. Her wings motionless, कोई हरकत नहीं दे रही ही थी वो अपने परों को. The piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak, मछली का जो टुकड़ा वो लाई थी तो वो तकरीबन उसके बीक के नज़दीक था. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she didn't come nearer, and then maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish with a loud scream. He fell outward and downward into the space. So when he tried to get that piece of fish, he actually fell down into the air. हवा में गिर जाता है. His mother had swooped upward. उसकी माँ ऊपर की तरफ उड़ती है. As he passed beneath her, he heard the swish of her wings. Swish means उसके परों की पड़पड़ाहट की आवाज़. Then a monster terror seized him. Important for translation. फिर एक बहुत बड़े डर ने उसे दबोच लिया. Monstrous means monster से निकला है बहुत बड़ा, very big, huge. Seized mean to grip something tightly, दबोच लेना, गिरफ्त में करना. And his heart stood still, उसका दिल जैसे रुक सा गया हो. He could hear nothing, वो कुछ सुन नहीं सकता था. But it only lasted a moment, लेकिन ये सारा कुछ एक लम्हे के लिए था. The next moment he felt his wings spread outward. दूसरे ही लम्हे उसने महसूस किया कि उसके पर बाहर की तरफ फैल गए. The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wing. So finally his wings were cutting the air and he felt the air against his body. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. वो अब सर के बल नहीं गिर रहा था. So underline it for translation. He was soaring gradually downward and outward. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो soaring mean परवास करना, ऊपर की तरफ नीचे की तरफ दोनों तरफ परवास करने लगा. He was no longer afraid. वो अब मजीद खौफजदा नहीं था. So remember student, always these small sentences are very important from translation point of view. He just felt a bit dizzy. उसे सिर्फ अपना सर चकराता हुआ महसूस हुआ. Then he flapped his wings once and soared upward. He uttered a joyous scream. उसने खुशी से भरी आवाज निकाली and flapped them again. He soared higher. He raised his breast and banked against the wind. Ga ga ga, kaula. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. Then he saw his two brothers and his sisters flying around him, curveting, banking, soaring and diving. Curveting means to leap, mean इधर उधर उड़ना कलाबाजी के स्टाइल में. Banking means support देना खुद को. Soaring ऊपर की तरफ उठना and diving नीचे की तरफ जाना, downward flying. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Commence means to start something. Himself to dive, soar, curved, and shrieking shrilly. Shrieking means shouting with a shrill voice, with a thin voice. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. So once he was afraid of this sea, and now he got the courage to fly straight over it. Facing straight out over the ocean, he saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little bridges moving over it. Bridges means the sea waves, the rough surface of the sea because of its waves. He turned his beak sideways and crowed amusedly, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. Dogfish, another type of fish. So now his family was happy because he was successful in flying and he finally got courage to fly away. He has made his first flight. उसने अपनी पहली उड़ान भर ली या उसने अपनी पहली उड़ान कर ली. Hope you learned a lot about this lesson. Subscribe and share it with your friend. Wish you all the best. See you in next chapter with the same theme.